How are you folks? I'm Jordan Hendricks with Prime Roofing, and today I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step process of exactly what we do to protect your home. First step, our synthetic underlayment. This is going to provide a water barrier for your entire roof. Step 2, ice and water. Covers the penetration points where most leaks happen on your roof, pipes, chimneys, etc. A step often skipped by other companies. Step 3, our starter shingle. This is going to go around the edge of your roof, providing complete wind resistance. Step 4, hip and ridge, also providing wind resistance. It's going to give you some extra curb appeal. And finally, our IKO architectural shingle, heaviest on the market, providing more protection for your home. Because of this system, Prime Roofing offers the only lifetime leak protection in Alabama. When it comes to protecting your biggest asset, your home, why settle for less?